Ecology. Question 1. Consider the following statements in context of ecological pyramids. 1. Saprophytes are not given any place in ecological pyramids. 2. The terrestrial ecosystems are the example of the inverted pyramid of biomass. 3. The pyramid of energy is always inverted, with a large energy base at the top. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. Match the following list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1. Terms. List 2. Related features. A. Ecotone. A zone of gradual but continuous change from one ecosystem to another. B. Ecocline 2. A zone of junction or a transition area between two diverse ecosystems. C. Ecological niche II. Changes in population or community structures at the boundary of two habitats. D. Edge effect 4. Interrelationship of a species with all the biotic and abiotic factors affecting it. Codes A, B, C, D, A, 2, 3, 4, I, B, 3, I, 2, 4, C, 2, I, 4, 3, D, 3, 4, I, 2. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding food chains in ecology. 1. In the grazing food chain, the primary source of energy is living plant biomass, while in the detritus food chain the source of energy is dead organic matter. 2. Grazing and detritus food chains are not interlinked to each other. 3. If any of the intermediate food chain is removed, the succeeding links of the chain will not be affected largely. 4. The extinction of a top carnivore like tiger in an ecosystem can affect the relative abundance of herbivore species. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding the nutrient cycling processes. 1. Water cycle and carbon cycle are examples of gaseous cycles, in which the reservoir is atmosphere or the hydrosphere. 2. Nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium and magnesium circulate by means of the sedimentary cycle, where the reservoir is the Earth's crust. 3. Nitrogen fixation on Earth is accomplished only through microorganisms. 4. Most gaseous cycles are generally considered as imperfect cycles. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 only. D. 4 only. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding ecological succession. 1. Climax community is the initial or first stage of ecological succession. 2. Primary succession happens when a new patch of land is created or exposed for the first time. 3. Wildfires increase the pace of ecological succession. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding food chain. 1. A food chain is the movement of nutrients and energy from one creature to another at different trophic levels. 2. Energy provided by the sun is the primary component in every food chain. 3. Particular food chains remain unchanged in every environment. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 7. Which of the following statements correctly explains potential resources? A. Resources which are in current utilization. B. Resources which can't be used due to its uselessness. C. Resources whose utility is not known at present but can be used in future. D. None of the above. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding the process of eutrophication in water bodies. 1. Large amounts of nitrates and phosphates cause eutrophication in water bodies. 2. In natural eutrophication, a lake is characterized by nutrient enrichment during which eutrophic lake is converted into an oligotrophic lake. 3. Eutrophication causes dead zones, which are hypoxic areas in the world's oceans and large lakes where aquatic lives cannot survive. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. There is no net benefit or harm to either species. Perhaps in some interspecific interactions, the costs and benefits experienced by each partner are exactly the same so that they sum to zero. It is not clear how often this happens in nature. It is also sometimes described as the relationship between two species inhabiting the same space and using the same resources, but that have no effect on each other. In this case, one could argue that they aren't interacting at all. Identify the biotic interaction from the options given below. A. Neutralism. B. Mutualism. C. Commensalism. D. Amensalism. Question 10. Consider the following food chain. Litter, earthworms, chicken, hawk. Identify the food chain from the options given below. A. Heterotrophic. B. Detritus. C. Grazing. D. Autotrophic. Question 11. Which of the following are the goods and services provided by ecosystems? 1. It helps in generation and renewal of soil fertility, including nutrient cycling. 2. It provides food and fuel only. 3. It stabilizes and modernizes the Earth's climate. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 1 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 12. With reference to ecotone, consider the following statements. 1. It is a zone of junction between two or more identical ecosystems. 2. A well-developed ecotone contains only the organisms which are entirely the same as that of the adjoining communities. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.